Welcome back to my daily report market analysis videos with me, Richard, market analyst at Hantec on Monday, 8th of June. Let's have a look at cable now, which broke out on Friday. Actually, euro dollar corrected back on the strengthening of the US dollar, but sterling remained strong. That was a really interesting move considering the importance of the resistance of 26.45. That was a move that was really interesting. Survived into the breakout and again continues higher today, although only very slightly, and it's sort of paired gains, earlier gains today. But it's interesting that we've just seen 27.30 hit Friday and also today before falling back. Sort of 60 odd pips now back from that day high. A similar move that we saw on Friday. Interesting that that is also around the old resistance of overhead supply from that February low. So this is an interesting move that I sort of said in the morning report. It's a difficult one to gauge really because it needs to hold the breakout. If it holds the breakout above 26.45, that's an important move. But you see exactly what happened to the downside break that we saw back in mid-May. We saw the downside break of the 21.60 level. Next session, it sort of turned around again and then started to find support again around the old support and then pushed higher. So it's a really interesting moment. If this can hold the breakout and then sort of build above that as a support, then we could see a continued recovery on sterling. And you've got that set up on strengthening momentum indicators now. But how it responds, the market responds to this breakout, which is now supportive, will be key, I think, because a failed break, coming back inside it, starting to see hourly corrective signals pulling through, then you would start to see, I think, more of a deeper correction and effectively what would then be the continuation of this as a range play. Because as I said, we had the initial false break of the downside. Could we have another false break to the upside? It certainly is in the balance as to whether you're going to hold that break or not at the moment. But hourly indicators, you'd be looking, as I said, for sort of RSI holding above 30. That seems to be where the supportive moves have come in through the recovery. 30 on hourly RSI. Above neutral would be ideal on MACD, but not essential considering we've seen moves below it previously. I think the RSI on the hourly would be the one to watch. You've got support 25.85 area to 26.45. You need to see holding onto that really, and maintain this move above and hold above these rising moving averages. So it's very much in the balance at the moment on cable. So I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos. Go to our website to sign up for our webinars and go and click here for our Trader Talks videos to gain some top trading ideas.